With an average salary of AUD 80,000, that is INR 45 lakh per annum, Australia is one of the most amazing destinations for nurse. But today we will tell you about a pathway to become a registered nurse in Australia without pursuing a costly nursing degree there. Hello everyone, I am Sunidhi Shahi and welcome to MedCare by Academically. In today's video, we will break down the steps you need to take to migrate to Australia with a visa sponsorship as a registered nurse. To migrate to Australia as a registered nurse, you need to pass the NCLEX or the National Council Licensure Examination. Here are the steps involved in doing so. Step number 1. Apply for initial skills assessment with the National Council of State Boards of Nursing. Step 2. Take the NCLEX exam from your home country. Step 3. Clear an English proficiency tests like IELTS, OET or PT. And step 4. Take the 𝐿SE exam in Australia. The NCLEX is a single adaptive exam that any person with a Bachelor's of Nursing degree or any other relevant degree can take. Learn about the NCLEX exam in our other video. Now, once you have cleared the NCLEX and 𝐿SE, you can register yourself with the Australian Health Practitioner Regulation Agency and the Nursing Board of Australia or the State Council where you want to work. Once you are registered and you have the required documents, it is time to start the job hunting. Here are few pro tips to get a job faster. Look up, seek, Workforce Australia or other Australian healthcare job portals. Join online nursing communities and forums where employers actively post vacancies. Contact hospitals and healthcare centers directly. Many are open to international talent. Focus on regional areas. These often have more shortages and higher chances of employer sponsorship. Once you have received a job offer, your employer can sponsor your visa under subclass 482 or even help you get PR with subclass 186. Now let us talk about visas for nurses in Australia. There are several visa options available for you based on your skills and job offer. Some are major ones including Skilled Independent Visa subclass 189, Skilled Nominated Visa subclass 190, Temporary Skilled Shortage Visa subclass 482, Employer Nomination Scheme subclass 186, Skilled Work Regional Visa subclass 491. Each visa has its own considerations and requirements, so we suggest you research well and talk to a migration expert to choose the right visa. In recent years, we have seen nurses with as low as 65 Australian points get a visa in Australia. Having a 65 to 85 points means you are very well eligible for a visa as a nurse in Australia. If you are interested in moving to Australia via the NCLEX pathway and need more help regarding the same, reach out to our experts at Academically. We can help you prepare for it and crack the NCLEX exam on your first attempt and complete all the other steps of the process. Visit the link in the description to book a free counseling session today. That's all for today. If you found this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to check out our other videos on nursing careers in Australia. Until next time, this is Sunidhi Shahi signing off.